Hello everyone and welcome to another episode where I show you guys the beauties of Italy. So guys, today I am in Tremiti Island. Look at this beautiful water. If you saw guys the video about Termoli, just to let you know, this is an island which is for 45 minutes by boat, so catamaran or ferry. And today I'm gonna visit like the island for like one day. So guys, before I leave by boat, I'm gonna do like a tour that lasts 1 hour and a half. I think it's the best way, to see the island. And I'll tell you now what are the islands. So this is the map, as you can see, of Tremiti Island. Now I am in San Nicola, which is this one, okay, where there is the castle. Then there are like two small islands. One is this one, Il Cretaccio. Then there is Caprara, okay, where we will stop like for a, dip in the sea for a swim. And then San Domino, which is the biggest one and is basically that one on the opposite side. So I think the best idea when you are guys like on an island is basically doing a boat tour. It's probably, the best way to see all the grottos and the beaches and the caves and the inlets. And then, of course, you will be stopped in one of them. So now, on my way back, I will stop. There is an option to stop here in San Domino, and then I'll walk there. So I will have a walk. So they said there is a beautiful city center. Even here in San Nicola, this is the most historical, like, little islands. There's some work, like, going on here. But I've been, like, on the top of the castle. It's beautiful, like, and the view is gorgeous. There is actually a viewpoint once you go up, or like at the top of it. While you're walking, there is like a place where basically there are like some shops. So there is a terrace where you can take some beautiful pictures. Maybe we will get there later before I leave and I'll show you. For the tours guys, instead there are like so many options. Just to let you know, here in Tremiti Islands you can actually do or like a sharing boat tour like I am doing, which is around 25 or 30 euro. It lasts like around 1 hour and a half and you can get like off the boat just one time for a swim, or you basically rent a private boat tour. They have just inflatable boat. They don't have like goats or stuff like this. Or you can rent the boat by yourself, because the motors are like 20 or 40 like cc. So you can do it like by your own basically. Look at the water, how beautiful it is. Anyway, so during the video I show you just beautiful images, beautiful videos. I am not going to talk, but just to show you the beauties of the island, okay? So I'll see you later, bye. So guys, I have just finished the boat tour at the Tremiti Island. Guys, it was amazing. So we did a very beautiful tour. Now I just stopped on the other island, which is San Domino. It's the biggest island. So now I will have a walk here, but in the while I'm getting in the town, because like a small city center, you can have a walk, and there is a beach which is literally like on this like side, basically behind the corner. So I'm having a walk first, and then I will rest a bit on the beach before getting again there, which is the island of San Nicola, where I have basically the hydrofoil to go back to Termoli. But look at the water guys, and look when you come basically to this island, which is San Domino, you can see the beautiful skyline of San Nicola. Look at that. This is amazing guys. Look at the water. Guys, if can I be honest with you, very rare I've seen like a water like this one. So this is a very beautiful like discover. I did even know this island, and I'm Italian, so for me it's like something new. So let's go to the city center and then like I'll show you a bit around. So guys, just to let you know, look at this beautiful beach. When you're in San Domino, okay, so very next door there is this private beach. As probably you can see is almost 100% like private. It's a beach club, and oh my god, the water guys, it's so unbelievable. This is like a swimming pool. Anyway, here at the end of the beach, there is a tiny bit piece which is free. Okay? It's rocky. It doesn't really matter, to be honest with you. If you find like a space, just come here. It's free. You don't pay. Beautiful. This is unbelievable. Okay, I'm going for my walk. See you later. Okay, so guys, I'm going up because basically the town, the city center is up. But I just stopped like in this space. Guys, look how beautiful it is. This is like a beautiful viewpoint. Oh my Jesus, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable, guys, look. Oh my Jesus. Can I be honest with you? This is very a hidden gem. This is a very hidden gem. Tremiti Island. Okay, so guys, I'm going back to the beach because basically I went all the way back. So basically down there where apparently there is the center, but there is not a really center. So just going back to the beach. I want to take advantage. I want to stay like 1 hour into the sea because the water is beautiful. So anyway, I just found out basically I talked with a few people here on the island. So some people are on vacation, but some other people basically they work here and they told me there's not like a real center. So it's probably a classic island for a day trip. It's a shame because guys, trust me. So the island, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, honestly. I don't know what to say, but I don't know. There's not like much to do. I don't know in the evening. I'm pretty sure like, you know, all the hotels and the B&Bs probably, you know, they have restaurants too, so you can eat 101% because there are accommodations on the island. And probably there are also like many. But I think that is an island that in the night it turns off. That's it. But for a day trip, it's amazing. So my suggestion is, we will go here. So my suggestion is combine it with the Termoli. So maybe stay like in Termoli for a couple of days and then come here, have a walk, boat tour, and then go to the beach for like a dip into the sea and a swim, all right? Okay, this is a cute spot I found where there is like this, you know, place here. There's like a shack too. You can stop, it's a restaurant and a bar. And look here, this beautiful like little bay, this inlet. Wow. Guys, just to let you know, I am back to the beach. I won't show you my body because I'm probably in the worst shape of my life. I want just to show you how beautiful is the water. Look here. This is actually amazing. It's a little bay so of Tremiti Island, and the one you see in front, this one. So that island is San Nicola. So basically, if you come here, it's very easy also to go back again to Termoli because from San Nicola there are the hydrofoils, so the catamaran going back to the land. Okay, to Termoli, and to go to San Nicola from here it takes like 5 minutes by taxi boat. Guys, feel free to subscribe to my channel, please, because I'm doing a very hard job like to show you, you know, these hidden gems of Italy. Please put a like, that would help a lot. And most important, if you have any questions, just write below in the comments and I'll reply as fast as I can. Okay, so guys, I leave you. I hope that you liked the video about Tremiti Island. Please, there is another video about Termoli, which is the city where you depart from, which is amazing. Watch it because there are like so many things to do in Termoli too, which is a city by the seaside. Okay guys, just to let you know, I'm leaving, so now I'm going again to that island, which is San Nicola, to get basically the ferry, so the hydrofoil, to go back to Termoli. But I want just to show you this viewpoint. So here there are some stairs. I'll show you now because I'll get back like by work again. I want to show you this beach where I was and where I spent basically, you know, the rest of the time. And again, at the end here, there's like a tiny bit of space where you can stay for free. And down here, there's like a tiny bit space where you can stay for free too. In my personal opinion, guys, you if you want to stay comfy, just book an umbrella and a sunbed, and you will be like probably in the best spot ever. So this is the Belvedere. Okay, so now I will leave, I'll show you the path. This is the port where I'm taking the taxi boat. Guys, I have to be honest, it's been a very wonderful day. I didn't imagine that Tremiti Islands were like this. They are so beautiful, so I really suggest them also for a simple day trip. So feel free, you know, to come if you're like nearby, especially if you're visiting Termoli, which is another beautiful destination, guys, that I suggest you. I was really impressed about Termoli, and there is a video, and I'll leave you the video, you know, at the end. I'll leave the video at the end of this video so you can watch it, and basically I show you what to do like in Termoli for a few days. Look here, this is just amazing. So guys, remember, when you are here at Tremiti Islands, so you can come here at San Nicola Island, or the other island where you can go is that one, which is San Domino. Okay, so you can come like both ways. So the company I was with, so was coming here, but then to go like to all the other islands, you can get like a taxi boat, which is just a few euros. Okay, I hope guys you like the video. Please subscribe, like the video, and comment below if you need to know anything, so I will reply to you. Okay, so I'll see you in the next episode of Italy off the beaten path. Ciao.